So let's have a look at problem 2. So what we have in problem 2 is a loan where we're borrowing $300,000 over 10 years and we're paying monthly. And we've just been asked a series of questions with respect to the loan. So if we look at part A, the first part of the question has said, calculate the instalments if instalments are made at the end of the month. So let's just draw a timeline so that we can see what's going on. So at time 0, we borrow 300,000. We're going to make, it's a 10-year loan, we're paying monthly, so we're going to make 120 monthly repayments of C. And the repayments start at time 1 because the instalments are made at the end of the month. So what I need to do is equate the present value of these repayments with the present value of the loan, which is what we borrow today, and that is $300,000. So therefore I know that $300,000 will equal the present value of those loan repayments. And this is just an annuity, an ordinary annuity, because the payments start at time 1. The cash flows are C, and the number of time periods or payments is 120. So remember the formula for an ordinary annuity is C over I, outside of 1 minus 1 over 1 plus I to the n. So what do we know? Well, we know that n is 120, and we need to calculate I that corresponds with n. So in the question, it refers to an interest rate of 6% per annum, but because it's payable monthly, we need to divide it by 12. So now I've got my loan amount, I've got my N, and I've got my I, so I need to solve for C. So putting what I know into the equation, 300,000 equals C over 0.06 over 12, outside of 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 0.06 over 12 to the power of 120. Okay, so what do I do now? What I want to do first is calculate what this is here in my calculator. So if I calculate what that is in my calculator, I can then put that number in front of the C. And what will end up happening is when you put that calculation into your calculator, you'll get 300,000 equals 90.07345333 C. So that expression there, we put it in our calculator and you should get 90.07. The calculation then becomes easy because when you're trying to find what the repayment is now, the monthly loan repayment will be 300,000 divided by 90.07345333, and that gives me a monthly repayment of $3,330.62 per month.